Morning students. Last week we have done decimals. We started with decimals. You all have learnt about the like decimals, their place value, comparison of the decimals, greater decimal, smaller, and then how to find out the ascending order and descending order of the decimals. Okay. Now today we will continue with the next part of this. Today we will be doing the addition and the subtraction of the decimals. All right, now I give you one example. If the question is given, add 7.35 and 4 point, let's take 14.067. all right, we have to add this. Now you can add by and will be replaced by plus sign, and then we will be adding. The best method and the easiest method to add or subtract is the column method. That means we will be writing one number first, and then below that we will write down the second number. So let's take the number 7.35. Then we will write down 14.06 and 7. All right. Now remember that whenever we will be writing the numbers while addition or subtraction, the decimal should come in a line. That means it should come in a column, whether there are two numbers, whether there are three numbers or four numbers. All the decimals should be in the same place. All right. Accordingly, we will write down the whole number part. Accordingly, we will write down the decimal parts here. All right. Now here, see here, 7.35 is given, and there is no place, nothing is given in the tens place. So what we will do, for our convenience, we will put a 0 so that it's easy for us to add up. All right. Now similarly here it's 3 5, that is 10th place 3 is there, 100 place 5 is there, but 1000 place nothing is there, but in this number 1000 place 7 is there. So to fill up this place, what we will do, we'll again put a 0. Now see here, is it more convenient and easier to add? Now we'll put the addition sign, and then we will start adding. 7 plus 0, 7. 6 plus 5, 11, 1. 1 will be carried here. 3 plus 1, 4. There is a decimal point. We'll put the decimal point. Then 7 plus 4, 11, 1. 1 will be carried here. So 1 plus 1, 2. So this is how we are adding the numbers. Okay. I think it's easy. All right. Now suppose the numbers are given to you in this way: 0.56, 1.2, and then let's take 12.36 again. Now see here, in the tens place nothing is there, so we'll put a 0 and then 0 here. It's become more convenient. In this number, it's 10th place is there, 100 place is not there, so we'll put 1 0 here. Now it's easy for us to add up in this way. Remember, the decimal should come under the decimal point. All the decimals should be in a line. Now add up. 6 plus 6, 12, 1 carried. 5 plus 1, 6, plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 1, 1 carried here. Put the decimal. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, and then 1 plus 0, that is 1. So this is the answer. All right. Similarly, if we have to subtract 17.98 minus 15.26, let's take one simple one. So 17.98 we will write down first. Then we have to subtract 15 point. So we'll put the sign here, 15.26. Okay. Now we are subtracting it. So see here, there is no gap here. So it's all the places are there. So we will directly subtract it. 8 minus 6 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. Decimal point, 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is my answer. All right. Let me give you one more example. Let's take another question is given to us, which is let's take 29.05. all right, and then we have to subtract. Let's take 12.32 and 9. Okay. Now see here, when we are subtracting here, this place is vacant, the 1000 place nothing is there, so we'll put a 0 because we have to subtract from here. Alright, so we'll put a 0, and now we will be subtracting. Now since this is 0 and this is 9 is bigger, so we'll take the help. Alright, so we'll take one number from here. This is 4, and we are taking borrowing one number. This is 10. 10 minus 1, no, minus 9 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now see here again, this is 0 and this is 3, so we need a help. So what we'll be doing, we'll borrow 1 from here. Alright, so this is 10 minus 3, that is 7. Put the decimal. Now here the digit is 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is how we are subtracting the decimals. I think it's clear. Addition and subtraction, it's easy for you to solve the sum. Okay, same way the simplification sums also, if the plus minus sign both are there, then you can proceed in the same manner in steps.